Hello everyone. Today from Royal Indian Craft we are going to tell you how to assemble a straight glass shelf. So when you purchase online, then the glass shelf, or we can say straight glass shelf, is delivered to your home in this condition. Means each parts are separate. Now assembling these parts is a very, we can say, tough task. Now first I will tell you what are the parts required for assembling a straight glass shelf. This is called railing. Okay, glass shelf. These are the pillars, wall, bracket. Now we will assemble them step by step. Now before assembling the glass shelf, we are going to I'm telling you the pillars are of three types. This is the middle one, okay, left side one, and this is the right side one. First take the middle pillars. Now you will notice one thing, that the middle pillars, they are having the holes, they are having the whole side. Okay, you can see it. So you can see through the pillars, whereas the left side and right side pillars, they are one-sided holes. They are having one-sided holes. Okay. So first take the railing, and these are the grooves of the pillars. Okay. Now they can be put in this way, this manner. Face of the grooves, they should be opposite of you. Now take the railing, and in this manner put across the holes. Now take the second pillar, okay, in this manner move them inside. Okay, so the grooves, they should be facing opposite of our face. Okay, so we have put it the both pillars. Now take the glass shelf, okay, and put the pillars in this manner. Take a screwdriver and tight the screws. Okay, so we have tightened up the screw. Now take the left one pillars. So in this manner put it into the railing, and with the help of a screwdriver tight it up. Okay, now take the third pillar, and you can see put it into the railing, and with help of the screwdriver tight it up. Press the pillar inside and tight up. So in this manner you can assemble the straight glass shelf. Now, how to put this glass shelf on the wall? Now you are seeing the wall brackets, and in the wall brackets bottom you will get screws. So take out these screws completely. Okay, so you've taken out the screws completely. Okay, now from here you can push the screw. You can push the black portion. The black portion will come out of the bracket, and this black portion, with the help of the screws, you can put it onto the wall. After putting onto the wall, you can put the cap over it. Okay, after putting the cap, you can fix the glass wall shelf in this manner, similarly in this manner, and from bottom side put these screws back to the wall bracket and tight it up. So in this manner you can assemble as well as install your wall, we can say, straight glass shelf. Okay, in next video we will tell you how to install as well as assemble the soap dispenser. Okay, thank you.